The ASS Opti M Flansch purging system by Holzer ASS is designed for purging pipework with small diameters. It is suitable for internal pipe diameters ranging from 43 to 97 millimeters, effectively bridging the gap between simple pipe plugs and larger system solutions. A key feature of the ASS Opti M Flansch system is its bonded overall construction. Unlike modular kit systems, the individual components do not need to be assembled or adjusted before each use. Most of the components are permanently connected, which significantly reduces setup time. At the same time, the design allows for quick replacement of the sealing lips without having to dismantle the entire system. The Opti M Flansch version was specifically developed for welding flange connections. On one side of the system, a hemispherical seal replaces the usual sealing lips, reliably sealing the flange area. Particularly practical during installation is the ergonomically designed handle. This version ensures precise purging even in flange joints. During purging, the gas flows into the purging chamber at increased pressure to displace residual oxygen and any remaining moisture, and exits on the opposite side. Sintered metal inserts ensure that the gas flow is slowed down and evenly distributed. Triple lip sealing discs ensure a secure hold within the pipe. These sealing lips not only provide reliable sealing, but also offer high stability, even in pipe bends or complex pipe routes.